Are you wanting to create cool renders and animations with Blender, but are unsure how to get started or what you're missing in your Blender skill set? In this free YouTube course, I'll be covering the vital fundamentals to creating cool renders and animations. Whether you're a beginner starting in Blender or an intermediate user looking to patch up your skills in a few areas. Each episode of the course will be completed with free PDF guides, quizzes, memorable analogies, and visuals to help you understand what's being taught so you can apply the knowledge to your personal projects after the course is completed. The PDF guides and course videos will also act as a great revision tool if you want to commit the knowledge you learn to long-term memory. During this course, we will be creating 2 animation projects, and we will cover the full workflow step by step, starting with creating abstract 3D shapes, setting up a studio and camera, animation, realistic studio lighting, rendering the animation, and then turning our rendered frames into a video so you can share your hard work on your favorite social media. I will also be here to guide you through each lesson by answering any questions you may have in the comment section. We will also be using a free built-in Blender add-on, everyone has this add-on by default for clarification, called the Tissue add-on to help us create these cool shapes. The course will be comprised of 9 video lessons starting from tomorrow, where we will make this cool abstract 3D shape to animate with in Blender. So make sure to subscribe if you want to be notified when it's released. Each lesson will be released one day after the other. For example, you can expect lesson 2 the day after tomorrow. After the course, I will also be releasing more tutorials on 3D animations and rendering to keep your skills sharp, and of course other Blender tutorials as per usual on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this trailer, and I look forward to seeing you for the first lesson tomorrow.